Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is TJ and I'm here. I just want to make a quick video going over 3 different ways to install Minecraft on Linux, specifically Arch Linux because that's what I'm running. Uh, but before we get started on that, we're going to cover how, if you don't per se own Minecraft at all, how you would go about acquiring it, and we are covering this solely for the Java edition. You're gonna go to Microsoft dot. We're not gonna go to Microsoft. We're gonna go to Minecraft.net. This is the Minecraft official website. You can see I am not logged in. Now, the thing you are probably wanting to do right off the bat is you're gonna click this Get Minecraft button. You're gonna click Computer. Then you're gonna click PC because it doesn't matter what you click. Then you're going to click Minecraft Java Edition. And then you're not going to push Xbox Game Pass. It's not that good. You're going to push Buy Minecraft. And then it's going to tell you to log in. And that was what you would do. I'm just going to log in here really quick. And there I'm logged in, so I already own it. But you would just push that buy now, $26.95, buy the game, and then you're gonna hit this download button, and it's going to give you some options. This will give you a .deb file that you could just run in your terminal for a Debian distro. This Arch, I believe, takes you to the AUR. Yep. Okay, so this Arch uh, button will just take you to the AUR page for the Minecraft-launcher, and we're going to cover that in a minute. That's the first of our methods. I don't know what this other button takes you to. Oh, it just gives you a tar file. Yeah, they used to have a jar, just a Java executable file. It was so nice. It was so universal. But it's not a thing anymore. I don't know why they don't package the launcher as a .jar file anymore. Anyway, so the first of our methods, we're gonna go here to the AUR. Once you've done that, once you've purchased the game, now you need to download the launcher to run the game. And we're gonna go here to the AUR. We're gonna go to the Minecraft launcher page. We're gonna switch over to our terminal now that we know what it's called, Minecraft.launcher. We're gonna go Paru. I don't have Paru installed. Right. S. Actually, do I have Yay installed? Because that'll be easy. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna go Yay Minecraft dash launcher. So Yay is an AUR helper that it basically acts like Pac-Man, including you need your Pac-Man flags, but it is for the AUR, the Arch user repository, rather than the Arch main repositories that Pac-Man can access. So Yay is like Pac-Man, but for the AUR. And the reason I'm using, obviously we're going to control C that because I already have it installed. But the reason I'm using Yay today or rather than just doing git clone this git link right here, and then doing make package, is because make package only, or git clone and make package, git clone, and then that link, that's not the right link, but yeah, git clone and make package only works if there are no other dependencies for that package in the AUR. Because make package-si cannot see or use AUR packages when it wants to download its dependencies. It can only use Pac-Man. So if you use Yay or Paru or whatever AUR helper you want to use, it can then see. It can access Pac-Man for regular dependencies, and it can access the AUR for AUR dependencies. So that's another reason, probably why using AUR helpers is super nice and should probably be done over using git clone and make package. So you just Yay -s, same flags as Pacman, yay dash capital S Minecraft dash launcher, because that's the name of the package. Right here. The package, Minecraft dash launcher, right here. That works. And then you can just run it. Minecraft dash launcher. We'll do this. And like I said, every time, oh, it's working now. No. Every time, no, it's not working. Every time you run the Minecraft launcher, the regular from Minecraft launcher, you have to log in every single time you run it, no matter if you tell it that you want to keep your login or not. So, the second version, the second way that we're going to do this, we're moving on to part 2, or the second Minecraft launcher installation. That's the official Minecraft launcher. But we're going to go to a new tab. We're going to go to atlauncher.com. This is my favorite way to install Minecraft, whether it be for vanilla Minecraft, which is not modded, original default Minecraft, or mod packs. You can create your own mod packs. User beware. You can install FTB mod packs, CurseForge. You can install a bunch of these pre-made mod packs as well. But in this video, we're covering vanilla, unmodded, original Minecraft. So what you're going to want to do is go to atlauncher.com, go to this download tab, and there's like the AUR package and the Windows and all this other stuff. But my favorite way to do this, because it's so blasted easy, is you just download the .jar file. And it'll download as atlauncher.jar. Do not leave it in your downloads folder. As we can see, if I do an ls-l, we see it right here, atlauncher.jar. Do not leave this in your downloads folder. Make it its own folder. cd.slash. I already have one. I have it named. Oh, just kidding. I have it somewhere else. So we're gonna do make dir at. Sure. I spelled that completely wrong. So we're going to go to the one I just spelled completely wrong. And we're going to go, nope, just kidding. We're going to back out of there. cd downloads. Move the atlauncher.jar to home/tevin/ yes, atloudner, because I can't spell. So now when we go cd launcher, the funny spelled one, ls, and all that's in here is the atlauncher.jar. So to run this, you can either navigate here using your file manager of choice and just double click it and it should run with Java and it will install. You do have to have a standalone Java, like OpenJDK 8 or 11 or whatever version of Java you want to run installed, and then you just run that jar file with Java as an executable file. We come here to the atlauncher, or you can also just, you can also do java-jar atlauncher.jar. That works too. It's already running, but now I have 2 of them open. So we're going to close it and then run one. And then once you're into the atlauncher, what you want to do is you want to go to accounts, and you want to hit login with Microsoft, and it's going to open a browser window, and you're going to log in with your Microsoft account that you used to purchase Minecraft on Minecraft.net, like we said in step 1. You're going to log in with that Microsoft account, and I'm just going to do that. And okay, then you're going to hit continue. And then here we have down here at the bottom, I am logged in as TJC the Man. And you can add different accounts if you want, but we'll add account. And then you're going to want to go to, for just vanilla Minecraft, which is what we're doing, we want to go to vanilla packs up here, vanilla packs, and then you're going to want to name it whatever you want, vanilla, and then you pick which version of Minecraft that you want. We're going to go with the latest, 1.17.1, and then you're going to want to click create instance. Going to go through downloading all the things, The thing I love about the AT launcher is that everything it does, every instance, every vanilla, every mod pack you download, every instance or collection or game version or whatever it is that you have downloaded, going to all be in this one folder, in this AT launcher folder. It's all self-contained. And if we look, I have this Minecraft folder that's mounted to a separate partition on a separate drive that I have set for all of my everything to do with Minecraft. And this folder called AT has all of my AT launcher mod packs, all of my vanilla, all of everything is all in this folder. And this is on one of my Windows drives. So if I'm on Windows, I run the AT launcher out of this folder in this drive, and I have the same versions. I have all my saves, I have all my backups, I have all my. It's all in the same folder, and it's just mounted either way, whether I mount it in Windows or whether I mount it in Linux. All self-contained, and I can just clone that file to my backup server or that folder to my backup server, and it's backed up. Done. Then you're gonna go here to instances. Once that vanilla package, when we go to here vanilla packs, we do the thing and we hit create instance, then it's installed here this vanilla Minecraft instance, and I've named it vanilla 1.17.1, and then you just hit play, and it fires up Minecraft. See? Minecraft, that easy. And yep, that's how the AT launcher works. It's very simple. It's very easy. You can have, say, we want to install 1.12.2, different version. Again, I'm going to name it vanilla 1.12.2. Hit create instance. Wait 10 seconds for it all to be downloaded and installed. And then we go back to instances. Now we have this 1.17.1 that we installed earlier. Now we have 1.12. And just that simple. Different versions of Minecraft. That launched on a different screen. So you can see right here, this is Minecraft 1.12.2. Different music because it's a different version. Anyway, and it's that easy. And you can do mod packs as well. Look, here's just a quick peek at a couple of the mod packs that are in here. Pixelmon, Sky Factory, Old Sky Factory, New Sky Factory, SevTech Ages, Intense, Sky Factory 2, all the different featured packs. And there's a lot of, yeah, it's just, I love the AT launcher because it's so self-contained. And if you want to add a pack you found on CurseForge, you go here and you type Enigmatica, right? I can't spell, but. And here's all your Enigmatica CurseForge mod packs. You want to go add an FTB pack like FTB Academy. I still can't spell. It's right there, FTB Academy. It's so self-contained. It's all in one program. It's all in its own folder. And it's all together, and it's just so easy. And I love the AT launcher so much. And that's why it's my favorite way to do, or to manage, really, my Minecraft install. It's so simple, so easy, so self-contained, so easy to back up. And like I said, if I run this one here in this atlauncher.jar, my Minecraft, or my freaking, I forgot to turn off fast boot in freaking Windows. And so my drive is mounted as read only. Those dual boot problems. But you just run that right in that this, not the .minecraft. This Minecraft, again, Minecraft folder in my home directory, mounted. It's the mount point to a separate drive that I have everything Minecraft. There's some Windows stuff in here that is necessary, but it's just AT launcher right there, done. It's all in the same folder, mounted, and my saves are there, and everything gets saved to that. So whether I'm running in Windows or not, Windows or Linux or whatever, as long as that drive's mounted, I can use that jar file in that directory. It's all there, and I can clone it for a backup. Super simple, super easy to use. Now that I've extensively covered the AT launcher because it's my favorite way to install Minecraft, and it's significantly better than it was a year ago. It's come a long way. These guys are great. We're going to cover the third way, which you probably saw here on the AUR page. It's right down here. It's multi-MC is the multi-MC launcher. And we're going to just look to see if they have a jar file, so it's standalone rather than using the AUR. Um, yeah, they may. Oh, that's a tar, that's a tar, that's okay. So it looks like they don't have a jar file installed, so it won't be quite as easy uh as the AT launcher, but we can just do yay dash s multi. May actually clear that, yeah. Multi MC dash bin. Hit enter. It's gonna check for conflicts. It's gonna check for so there's no differences. I don't care. Sources are ready, and then it's gonna ask me for my sudo password. I'm going to type, and now it's done. I just type multi C, I think. Yeah, just run multi MC in English. OpenJ11, sure. Depending on your computer, I would allocate more than 1 gig of RAM. I would give it at least 2, if not. I'm going to give it 4, just because I have a lot of RAM. We're going to say minimum memory allocation for Minecraft 512 megs, a maximum is 4 gigs of RAM. So the Minecraft process, when the game is running, can use up to 4 gigs of RAM. For vanilla, if you're not running modded, which is what we're covering, you're going to need at least 2 gigs of RAM to run Minecraft smoothly, and I recommend 4, and we will cover mod packs and everything in a later. Finish, finish, and then we're going to profiles right here. This, okay, we're going to hit profiles, we're going to hit manage accounts, we're going to hit add Microsoft, okay? And then we're going to middle click or click this link, and then we're going to put this code in for E F Q. And then I'm going to enter my password, which is autofilled because reasons, and then I'm going to hit yes. I can safely close this window, and then I click back here, and it's done, and there's my account. Done. Close. Here's the man. There's my skin. And I'm going to hit add instance. Vanilla 117.1. Okay, done. It's that easy. Launch. This is easily as easy as the AT launcher, if not even slightly easier. However, I don't know that it's all self-contained quite the same way that okay, this is has crashed. Oh, it crashed. That's why it opened the console window. Why did it crash? Oh, right. I need to, that's correct. Okay, so another thing, Minecraft 1.17 and further, so 1.17 and 1.17.1 have they have to have Java 16 installed. So if we go settings, we go to Java, we're going to go here. We're going to back out. No. We're going to go, where does it say that is? User lib JVM? Okay. User lib. Wait for this to load. Okay, I don't know. JVM. So we don't have Java 16 currently installed as standalone. Another reason I like the AT launcher is that for every version, it will install its own portable Java installation for what it needs, which can be a little bloated, but it does a really good job of cleaning them up. So like when I installed that 1.17.1 on the AT launcher, it automatically gave it Java 16 and the Java version that it needed to run. But just for the sake of brevity here, we'll just nope, close, stop. I knew you were gonna crash. X. No, I clicked the X. Stop. Keeps crashing. We're gonna push delete. Delete the instance. We're gonna make a new instance on an older version, 1.16.5, that will run on Java 11. And being as Java 11, as we see here, Java 11 OpenJDK. So I've picked Java 11 and I've given it some memory, 1.16, which will run on Java 11. Actually, I think it'll run on Java 8. But there you go. It launched, fired right up. So that's just a word of advice. If you want to play 1.17, which is the newest version, or 1.17.1, which is the newest, or the later, which the more versions come out, you're going to need, for multi-MC specifically, you're going to need Java 16 installed. And now I'm sure there's an OpenJDK file if we just close that. Sudo pacman -s open. Actually, I'm gonna have to do a search for OpenJDK. Search repositories for OpenJDK. Yep. So right here we see that here's an OpenJDK 17. So that's even newer than Java 16. So that's going to run Minecraft 1.17 flawlessly, just fine. So let's just do that. Let's do sudo pacman -s jdk OpenJDK. Yeah, so here we have we have 3 packages. We have JDK 17, and then headless. We're just gonna install. Oh, those are okay. So that's gonna install all 3 of those. Okay. I thought that was giving me a choice. Mobby. So now that's done. So now if we launch multi-MC again, and we go to settings, we go to Java, this, guessing that if we go back to userlib JDK, no, JVM Java. We have a Java 17, then we go to bin, we go to java.exe. Now we have Java 17 set as our Java runtime. So then we close this, we add an instance, 1.17.1, and we click it, and it launches. Should launch just fine, because we're on an updated version of Java. It shouldn't crash. Nope. Hey, look at that. Launches just fine. That's just a recommendation. I mean, if you're not going to use the AT launcher, just make sure that you have a current version of Java installed. Yeah, so that's our 3 ways to install Minecraft for Arch Linux. And as you saw, they offer packages for Debian, or they offer a tar that you can untar and put in whatever folder you want and then run it. Yeah, just to recap, those ways are you can do -s install from the AUR, the Minecraft launcher. That's the official one. And then you go to atlauncher.com and you download the atlauncher jar file. You can run it just by clicking it or by just doing java-jar atlauncher.jar. That's our second option, the AT launcher. And then we have you can do Yay, again from the AUR, you're going to download multimc-bin package name. And that's your third way. And again, the original, or the Minecraft launcher, the official Minecraft launcher will install its own Java. The AT launcher will install its own Java. But for multi-MC, you need to make sure you have the OpenJDK, the latest OpenJDK, or, well, if you want to use not OpenJDK, that's fine, but probably should just use the open source one. The latest OpenJDK binaries, which again is just back dash s open. That should be, or JRE dash OpenJDK should be the latest one. So if you're unsure, run that command. Just install JRE dash OpenJDK from the Arch Hackman repositories. That should give you your latest version, and then you'll have to set that path just like we did in multi-MC so that you're running the correct version of Java to run the game. And yeah, that's gonna about do it for this video. My name is TJ. This has been installing Minecraft on Arch Linux 3 different ways, and I'll see you later.